Tutorial for using a standalone advertising machine. Click Setup on the remote control to enter the setup interface. Select 90 degrees. Adjust the screen angle to vertical. Exit Save. The working mode is now wireless. There is a wireless icon in the upper right corner. We now switch the working mode to standalone mode. This way you can play the USB drive. The upper right corner changes to a USB icon, which means it is the USB file format must be FAT32. Copy the image or video material to the root directory of the USB drive. Insert the USB drive into the USB port. The system will automatically copy the material to the device storage. Pull out the USB drive and it will play automatically. The standalone playback tutorial ends here.